Remember the Kunafa chocolate from Dubai? Tama ba? As you can see, this is the Kunafa cookie. Alright, let's open. Bismillah. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, mashallah. Hulog. Wait, try natin. Okay. Excited na? First bite. Bismillah. Wow. Surprising yung lasa, hindi naman katamis ha. Look at the feeling, guys. Look at the feeling. First time ko nakakain ng ganito. Ang sarap. Another bite. Wow. Ang sarap. Perfect bite. Sarap. The chocolate. This one is the pistachio croissant. Itsura pa lang, ano? Ito yung tinatawag nila ng pistachio croissant. Ayan, try natin. Grabe. Available to sa Overdose Coffee. Ang laki ha. Ang laki. May gold flakes pa yan. Oh. Kita nyo? So, hindi to ordinaryong croissant lang. Lalagyan pa lang, napaka-social na. Ang laki ha. Tingnan nyo, ang laki. At saka may gold flake. Ayan. Edible gold. Ayan. So, try na natin. Pistachio croissant. Oh, ang laki. Okay. First bite. Look at that. Bismillah. Ang sarap ng feeling, guys. Yung combination ng chocolate at saka, wait lang ah, papakita ko. Yung combination ng chocolate at saka kunafa at saka pistachio. Nasa loob, ayan oh. Ayan, look at that. Napaka-generous naman. Kalami. Another bite. Bismillah. Wow. Ang sarap. Ang laki. Isa pa. Wow. Perfect to sa brewed coffee talaga. Americano. Okay. If I were you, go to Overdose Coffee and then buy it. Bye!